Hey, we're gonna look at Amazon keyboard and mouse that I just got. I don't think I got it like for $15 or so. So it's like not full size, so only to end or something. Keyboard and mouse. So here's the box. Let's take a look at it. Cool RGB backlit. I'm not even sure how they even make money off of this. It's sort of really crazy. 68 keys. Here's the back. Let's take a look at it. D68. There's not even the name on there. Doesn't even say the company or name brand. Here's Asian stuff. And there's the colors. I got that one. Let's take a look at it. Let's see. Open up the box. D68. We'll look at it after. Put that to the side. There's the mouse. Plug it in. Let's take a look at it. Bag. And then keyboard. Check that out. USB. This. So let's see. Here's the keyboard. There's a mouse. Side. Back. USB-C. Other side. No lips on the back, so you can't raise it. Here's a mouse. Nothing else. This one is threaded. USB, and here's a USB cable for the keyboard. Let's see, plug it in. Then I have a laptop over here. Plug that in. Get it to work. And there's RGB. Oh wow, nice. Well, that's going on there. It doesn't look like it's lit up other than the board itself. Let's see the instructions. Okay, here's instructions. How to use it. 65% keyboard, layout backlit, mechanical feel. Okay, let's see. And then the measurements, key lights, pin assessments, fins, functions, backlit, how to control them. Here's the keys to control them. And then push out, two color flashing. Fin plus V. What does that even mean? Fin plus V. Fin plus V. So you do change the color? No. Oh, okay. Oh. That's cool. Okay, so yeah, regarding that part, yeah, just look at that. Let's see the keys. Let's see. Fin, darker, lighter, brighter. Oh. Oh. So there's fin. Let's see. Fin, this one. Fin, this one. Fin, this one. And then light on, light on, light off. Let's see, jump, left, upright, colors. And let's see how you type. Yeah, that's about how you type. It's okay. Okay, let's take a look at the mouse. Actually, let's finish up the keyboard. Okay, let's see. How do I do this? Plug it in. Bring that up. Windows. Boot. Open up Notepad. Fold that down. So yeah, let's see. Hello world. How are you doing? Select all. Backspace. It's pretty light. Sort of nice light. It's pretty quiet. So yeah, there's the keyboard. That is a lot of fins. Which one's this? Wow, that's a lot of colors, dude. So yeah, there's the keyboard. Let's take a look at the mouse. Plug it in, and then there it is. So this is faster, this one's slower, movement speed's slower, faster, push up on the top of the mouse. And yeah, there it is. Mouse is just a basic mouse. Feels good, feels fine. I would use it. I don't know about gaming. Sounds fine for gaming. So yeah, that is it. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. This is a mouse and keyboard Amazon purchased for $15. And if you guys can, just use the link below. And thanks for watching. See you guys.